we're going to be making a healthy blueberry smoothie. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes ever. It's so simple and refreshing, but it's still filling and I'm just obsessed with it. I'm going to start by adding 1 banana to my blender. This is a great source of healthy carbs and will also help to make the smoothie sweet and creamy. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of an avocado. You can't taste it in the smoothie, but this adds healthy fats, which will help to keep me fuller for longer, and it also makes the smoothie really creamy and delicious. Then I'm going to add the main ingredient, the blueberries, because it's a blueberry smoothie. I'm going to use 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can also use mixed berries if you want to instead. And these are the 3 main ingredients for the smoothie. Now I'll add about 1/2 cup of water so that I can blend the smoothie up. Then I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of ground vanilla powder. These are optional, but they add flavor and are also full of antioxidants. And then another optional ingredient, I'm going to add 1 flat tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter that I've already measured out. This adds healthy protein to the smoothie and also adds to the creaminess. And you can add a few ice cubes to make it chilled and then just blend it up. And now it's ready to drink and it's got such a pretty pinky purple color. It's so creamy and filling but still refreshing, and that's why I love this blueberry smoothie so much. The second weight loss smoothie we're going to make today is my favorite healthy chocolate smoothie. Yes, you heard me right, healthy chocolate smoothie. Even though this recipe is chocolate, it's a simple recipe, simple, healthy, and perfect. So first I'm going to add 1 banana to my blender. Again, this adds healthy carbs and makes the smoothie sweet and creamy. Then 1/3 of an avocado for healthy fats and extra creaminess. And 2 to 4 teaspoons of cacao powder, which is just raw and sweetened cocoa powder. This is what will make the smoothie chocolatey, obviously, but raw cacao powder is so good for you. It's full of nutrients and antioxidants. And these are the 3 main ingredients for the smoothie. Now I'll add 1/2 cup of water so that it blends. And then this is optional, but to the smoothie I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of unsweetened macadamia nut butter. This adds healthy fats and protein to the smoothie. You can also use almond or cashew nut butter. And a little cinnamon and ground vanilla powder, again, optional, but it just adds that little pop of flavor. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of 100% pure maple syrup. This is optional to make it a little sweeter. It's often sweet enough for me using just the banana. And then add some ice cubes to make it chilled, and then just blend it up. And it's just pure chocolate deliciousness. It's gone so creamy and it's just perfect. And it's even okay to have the smoothie for breakfast, which I'm obsessed with doing because chocolate for breakfast is the best. The third and final smoothie that we're going to make today is a banana yogurt smoothie. This is such a simple recipe, but it's so good. I love this smoothie because it's super refreshing and really simple, but it's still really filling. First, what I'm going to do is add 1 banana to my blender. You can use fresh or frozen banana for any of these recipes. And then 2/3 of a cup of coconut yogurt, or you can also use another type of yogurt. I like to use coconut yogurt as a dairy-free option, but you can also use regular full cream yogurt if you do eat dairy, or another healthy yogurt substitute. And these are the 2 main ingredients of the smoothie. Now I'll add about 1/4 cup of water. You don't need too much water for the smoothie because you've already got the yogurt. Then add a pinch of cinnamon and ground vanilla powder for extra flavor if you want to. And cinnamon not only makes it taste extra yummy, it also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is really great. And now for extra protein, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of natural unsweetened peanut butter. I love to use peanut butter with this smoothie, but you can also use almond butter or cashew nut butter. Again, this is an optional ingredient, but it's great for getting extra protein in your smoothie. And just add a few ice cubes before you blend it up. And now it's ready and it's looking so creamy and perfect and delicious. I love this smoothie because it's super refreshing and really simple, but it's still really filling. All of these smoothie recipes serve 1, and they're all pretty low in calories, but they all still contain lots of good nutrients, which is what is so great about them. The blueberry smoothie will give you 380 calories with the added nut butter for extra protein, and only 280 calories without it. The healthy chocolate smoothie will give you 300 calories with the added nut butter and only 200 calories without it. And the banana yogurt smoothie is roughly 300 calories with the added nut butter and only 200 calories without it.